And thank you for attending today. And I'm really glad to have this session on web. So SkyCom is SkyCom is providing software, and we are developing software, our own package software, and our own cloud services. And we are providing the paperless solution. So, and recently, paperless solution is the demand of paperless is increasing day by day, and so we are developing, improving our own software. So we need more talented people, talented engineers. So we are. I hope some of you interested in our company, and also I'm looking for work with some of you in that future in Miyazaki. So from now, Ekura-san will introduce our SkyCom a little bit in detail. So after our presentation, please ask anything if you have any questions. So,
thank you, Shibata-san.
Arigato, Shibata-san.
Hello, how are you?
ありがとうございます。
Assalamu alaikum.
ありがとうございます。
Walaikum assalam, Rahman-san.
How are you? How are you all? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Yes, sir.
We can hear you.
How are you?
all?
We are
Alhamdulillah.
fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, we are also fine.
Thank you. So I would like to introduce my company. So before I do that, I would like to introduce myself. So I am Ikhlasur Rahman. So currently working as a senior tech lead at SkyCom. So I have joined SkyCom at 2019. It's almost not almost, I think it's 5 years from now. I have a team. I have working various projects. Also, I teach newcomers. So this is my simple introduction. So today I would like to present our company. So I hope you will all of you will like that one. So if you have question, as Shibata-san said, if you have any questions, please let us know. We will try our level best to tell about anything regarding our company. So let's start. I will first share our company slide. Can you see?
Hi.
Hi. Yes, we can see.
Hi.
So before I start, I would like to say something. First of all of you are here in visit, maybe to work in Japan. More specifically, maybe all of you want to work in Japan at a good reputed company, or maybe in one of the best company in Japan, right? So how can you I think just listen, and if you have questions, please let us know. Other than that, please keep silent. It will be better, I think, you understand. Okay. So it is very important, Japan is a very technologically advanced country, So you will be amazed when you came to Japan. But before you came, you need to maybe go through. There are lots of processes. From there, we can choose one or two or three, or we don't know yet, but we will choose some of you. So before we do that, we would like to know all of you about our company, so that it's become easier for you to choose the company, right? Maybe maybe there are lots of you who are very talented. You have like eligibility to work in different companies, but which company you choose, this is very important fact, right? So here we came to introduce our company. Let's start. Okay, before I start, I would like to start from our company name. Our company name is SkyCom Corporation, and it established in 1997. That means it's almost 27 years, you know. So this is very old company. So it is, there are two branches in our company. We called it main branch, referred to as head office, and another branch, development branch, we referred as a R&D center. So head office is located in Akihabara, Tokyo. Maybe all of you maybe know about Akihabara because this is a technological hub, I think, in Japan. Most of you maybe heard of it. Another is Miyazaki, R&D center in Miyazaki, where we just develop our product. This is a development branch. Okay. So yeah, there are 90 people works in our company. There are 8 people, Bangladeshi peoples. Eight of them are Bangladeshis. Okay. So all of them Bangladeshi people are working in Miyazaki branch because this is a development center. Now, so just keep in mind, you have to judge the company because which company you go depend on you. So you have to judge based on our presentation and our contents. So let's how you judge a company. Is it a good or bad? How you judge? There are lots of key factor or important factor that help you to choose the company, right? So I think this is one of the main key point is like our client, right? So if you see if a company has a good client or lots of client, good reputed client, that means you can say that this company is good, right? So I would like to categorize our client in 2 ways. First is domestic client, second one is international client. So in domestic client, we have lots of government ministries like Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, Ministry of Health, and so on. Also, we have lots of local governments, including Miyazaki Prefecture, Yamagata Prefecture, Kumamoto Prefecture, and so on. Lots of ministries and local government is our client. So as well as there are lots of more than like 100 major companies is our company. So maybe you are wondering which type of companies, 100 companies you may be heard of, internationally recognized company, not like a local company you did not heard, something not like that. You may be recognized some of the company like NEC, Fujitsu, Toyota, NTT, then maybe you will see, maybe you will see Suzuki Motors, Mazda Motors, Honda Motors, SoftBank, KDDI, one of the biggest networking company in Japan, Sony. So these are our clients. You may know, based on this client, you may guess who we are. Also, not only in Japan, but also we have a client, German tax system company called Creative. As well as we have our partners, they just use our product and ship to worldwide. Okay, this is our sample of our some clients. Later on, we later in slide we will discuss more of our clients. So I think it will help all of you to understand that who we are and who is our client. Okay, let's discuss about our company's key point. So SkyCom is actually a pure technological company. Pure technological company, just focus on keyword pure. Pure means we don't do anything that does not relate to the technology. That means we do only technological things. Okay. So technological company focusing on electronic documents related products. Okay. For generation, editing, viewing, printing, sharing, and other like promote secure and paperless business with PDF. So we also develop in-house products maintaining the global standard of electronic documents. Okay, so here also there is an important keyword, develops in-house products. And another thing is PDF. First of all, you may wonder, okay, we have know about PDF, but PDF is not like we just view a document. Not like that. PDF is a very fast thing. As far as I know, like it is not like limited to the viewing, as we are a Bangladeshi, and most of our students and as well as software developer knows PDFs only is like a it's a document, electronic documents, and we can view lots of things. No, not like that. PDF is a very fast thing. It has its own ISO, And it's a limitless thing. Day by day, technology is evolving. Okay, this is we mainly we work on PDF. So now second point is develop in-house products. We develop in-house products. What does it mean in-house products? That means there are lots of companies in Japan and as well as in other countries. They does not develop their own product. They just work for other company and develop their product. But so there are lots of key advantages on that, because whenever you develop your own product, you will do your own way with the best quality as well as with the newest technology possible. Okay, so just keep in mind we develop our own product, not others one. So SkyCom also confident because this product is developed by Japanese company and followed international rules and regulations, also local rules developed by SkyCom. As a result, SkyCom is proud of its made in Japan product. So also it has a very vast reputation not only in Japan but also in overseas countries. So also SkyCom strongly supports customer using PDF technology, proposes high value, high quality products and solution to customers. So we continuously we are not limited to the old things. We are continuously exploring the potential of PDF based on the ISO as well as our own way, so that we can create our better products. Okay, this is the key point of our SkyCom. So let's talk about some of our products. Not all. This is not possible in a short presentation to discuss all about our products. So I will suggest all of you go to our website skycom.jp and try a look of our products. So I will discuss some of them. So main product is our company is Sky PDF series. Actually, this is a series of product for like handling the PDF with high performance and high quality. So there are lots of application. This product has a lots of application types like viewer. It could be server-based, web-based, web API-based, SDK, and cloud services. Also, which type of features it supports? Most of the features our product supports, like creating PDF, viewing and printing, merging, extracting the PDF, as well as security-related things and electronic seal, which is maybe I think one of the selling point of our product. This is our main product, as well as this is I just talked about in a in general product overview. If you want to know for particular particular product, you should I think you should go to our website and take a look. Also, we have our as so far I have talked about Sky PDF series, which is developed based on the ISO. Now, I would like to talk a little bit about another product. Internally we call it Genovan. So this product is exceptionally new, and this product is developed with new concept. So which is only developed by SkyCom. There are lots of PDF company, reputed company in the world, like you may have heard, like maybe you are using the viewer of Adobe, like Kelas, Foxit. Maybe you are using all of that, but they does not have this kind of things. This is only developed by SkyCom and supported only SkyCom's product. As well as we have a product that analyzes the PDF by machine learning and detect each object. Also, we developed a multi OS viewer like desktop and mobile related viewer for Linux, Windows, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. We have developed our products such a way so that it can support any other most of the OS. If new OS come, maybe later, maybe the new version will come, but we are developing our products such a way so that we can ship to other ways if it's necessary. Also, we have one of our revolutionary product is key tracking. This product is like a track line of sight to find the viewing area of a document. So so far I have talked about like a very simple concept of our product, but as I have said, you can go to our website and take a look each and every product. So this is also an overview. We have like a client OS product, server OS product. only for client use product and server use product. So we have categorized some product here. So like viewer 8 standard, 8 professional, 8 tasking for win, and server OS product like server empty, archiving, signature, server shared folder monitoring. So for common tool SDK 3, web API, task, ink API, web server, web viewer. So this is our diagram, and based on that, all are depend on the PDF core engine, like creating, analyzing, modification, all the products. All the products is developed based on the core engine. So this is our very simple diagram, so that you can understand the project category. Next, I would like to discuss Tool SDK 4. We called it Genova internally. We told you a little bit earlier. This is a very module-based project, and this is developed recently based on the latest. I think one of the great way, and also the latest technology so far. So as this product is very our flagship product, this product also using the core engine which is built upon C and C++, which is so far in this world also fast and reliable. As well as we have developed our product like a module system, so that you can have only some particular things, not all things. Also, we have developed such a way so that each and every module integrated and can perform several tasks based on your needs. This product is developed as it developed by C and C++, so it could run in any OS, and I think this is possible to run on web also if you make a layer of it. Okay, so what types of technology we use to develop our product? There are lots of technologies out there, but as you know, in our product, most of our product we use C and C++ for PDF core engine, like PDF creation, analyze, modification. We use C, C++ assembler. So you may ask in 2024 why you are using C, C++. As you may already know, C and C++ is one of the best languages in the world so far, because of its reliability, because of its fastness, because of its memory management. Okay, so that's why we are using C and C++. So one of the more important key feature of C and C++ is it is cross-platform language. Maybe you can use it in Windows, Linux, iOS, and other OS. Okay. So that's why you can see in a package service, cloud service, R&D, most of the product, mainly in core system, we are using C++. As well as when we are just doing package like standalone packages or SDK. So for Windows and iOS, we are using C#, Xamarin, .NET MAUI, PKI signature. Also for web application, we are using C#, .NET ASP, HTML, JavaScript. So this kind of technology also we are using for web development, product related to web. Also we have on our cloud services we provide. In that particular case, we are using Azure, Amazon Web Service, C#, .NET ASP, and any other services for our product. So in R&D, so each and every year we are trying to do our best to create new product. So as research and development is a continuous process, here we are using not only C, C++, assembler, but also Python, Java, AI, React Native, based TensorFlow, Keras, based on our needs. So it's not like that, we are using only Python, only using Java, not like that. Actually, we are using lots of others technology to fulfill our needs. Okay. So let's. This is some of our product link we have created many years ago. You can see. You can go to YouTube and check it out. Maybe this is not new, but it will help you to find what we do. I hope all of you will go and check it out. Okay. So before I move further, I would like to discuss some difference between paperless using PDF and paper with PDF. So, you know, so far paperless is a very good concept. First of all, if you understand, if you want to understand the paperless thing, first of all, you have to understand what is paper-based thing. So so far, previously what we do, like suppose we have a big company and we are handle lots of documents. This is very difficult to handle because if you need like a document that is old, 10 years old or 20 years old, it is very difficult for us to find it out very easily. As well as integrity is the most important part, as you know, that for a document. Suppose invoice. Suppose a company like a bank, they stored 20 years of 20 years data, document data. After 20 years, some one of his client asks for his like statement. So previously, what that does, they just find out that one. It's very time consuming. Also, this is not sure that that document will be not falsified. Okay, so that's why we need a solution that helps not only find out the things very faster way, as well as provide the what can I say, integrity, that will provide integrity. So the previous procedure with paper, like a handwritten to paper application, then digitalize the handwritten data by typing, then check digitalized data, then back processing, then sorting the paper, then scanning of paper and storage to DB. So I think all of this process is very difficult for a company to handle this kind of things. Also, there are lots of storage problem here. So if you use paperless things with PDF, then you don't have to do anything. Just make a document and just update it and put it there. Whenever you need, you just get it. There is no way to damage it. There is no way to falsify the document. If the document is a signature signed by some of you, so there is no way to falsify this document. So PDF with paperless with PDF is very efficient way. There are lots of cases why a PDF is better. So I will tell a bit about PDF. So before I proceed on, I think so far I have talked about our product. So I would like to talk about a bit PDF. Why PDF? You may ask why SkyCom working with PDF? Why not the documents like docs, like Excel, like a PPT, like other electronic documents? So I just want to talk about a minute. Suppose there are lots of problems in a documents. As you know, if you write something in a PDF document, like you have write something in a PDF document, version of this PDF Word like 2003. So if you want to write at 2003 and save it, then again if you try to rerun it with 2024 or 2023 in Office, then maybe your text will be like your text position, and maybe your data will be garbled, or maybe you will find some garbage data in there. But in PDF, as PDF holds the data as well as its format inside the PDF, so it is very easy way, very convenient way to handle the data, and it is not only convenient but also it is helpful to archive the data so that you can get the same result after 40 years, 50 years, and 60 years. So maybe all of you, when you create your own CV using like Office tools, this is very difficult for you. Maybe suppose you have created one document by not Office but also others software. So if you open this document by others tools, it will be like format always just format just changes and others things happens to the document. It is not as it should be whenever you open in other product. But for PDF, if you create a PDF in one application, you can view as it is in any other application you have as the same way. Most of the time, why I say most of the time, there are lots of key factors that's required for the PDF. As a result, I say most of the times. So PDF is a very efficient way for a electronic document, as a electronic documents. So it can handle lots of complex things, easier, very easier way and convenient way. So we choose PDF for electronic documents. Okay. So so far I have talked about lots of things, our company, our products. So let's take some case study that paperless system integrated with SkyPDF. So I have already told a lot of our company uses our products. So there are some, I have categorized these clients like a financial institute, financial institution like 68 company like mega banks, regional banks, life insurance, insurance agents using our product, as well as IT communication company, 59 of IT communication company, telecommunication company, software development company using our product. Major car companies, you know, Japan is well known for his car. So major 7 cars companies, as you have already told, Toyota, Mazda, Honda, all are using our product. Also, there are 42 companies like educational, nursing care, travel, human resource company are using our services. As we are not only provide our product, but also we are just providing our services. As a result, there are 42 companies are also using our services. 28 hospitals, including national hospitals, university hospitals, public hospitals, are using our company. Other than that, lots of company. So this is very difficult for us to include all the clients to our slide. So you may assume lots of companies are our clients, big company, not just a thing, not a company like that came 5 years ago and just become our client, not like that. We have a big established company is our client. Okay. So there is a case study by Toyota. If you have time, and so you can check this out. This is case study of regarding use case of a paperless system. So done by the Toyota. Also, if you know about a company, if you want to understand about the company's establishment or the how good the company is, then you don't have not only you have to look out its client, but also its other activities. You know, this is also the key factor. So in the other activities, our company most of the time attended PDF days, weeks. So also we are the member of PDF association. Alhamdulillah, I have got chance to join as a I just become a member of recently become a member of PDF association and just join lots of join in PDF days in San Francisco. So you may have seen lots of pictures are here. As well as we are not only attending to the PDF days, but also we are attended in Microsoft conference, lot of Microsoft conferences, Microsoft seminar. This is few of them, but lots of each and every year we are just attending in lots of conferences, in lots of PDF days and weeks, lots of in lots of things. Because you know, to become a good company, you have to always update by new technologies. You have to understand what's going on your around, and you have to always try to find the best way to better your product. So as a result, we are just actively participating lots of events. Okay, one of the most important slide, I think, for all of you, for developer, I think this is not for general people. This is for, I think, developers. You may have heard of patent. Maybe most of you know about patent. Patent. I just want to say short things about patent. Patent, you know, patent is a recent year. Patent is very most important factor for a company because it's a digital property of a company. What is patent? Patent is something like a unique, what can I say? Unique design or unique concept that is unique worldwide. And you just research it and find out this is unique and this is beneficiary for all, and it may be in later, maybe now or later on, it will become a new things or it will be implemented later on. So most of the company in Japan, not only Japan but also other company does not have this kind of things. So this is very important things for a reputed company and one of the best company for patent. Maybe you have heard about Apple, Microsoft. They have lots of patent. Why? Because they are continuously researching. So when they are researching, they are seeing lots of new things which is not present till now in our world. So they are just registering it as a patent so that it becomes their digital property. So our company also just following the international things. So we are also always continuously researching on our product, as well as seeing the others quality things. So we are continuously developing new things. So we are just develop and find out that there are lots of new technology that is not already been published by others. So there are maybe I did not counted it yet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, maybe 24 or maybe near 20 patent are already registered for our name. So this each and every patent is unique. Each and every patent is unique. That means this is already registered by others. This is registered only by SkyCom and unique worldwide. So you are seeing that 3 of them is like a color grade because this 3 is researched and researched by our Bangladeshi brothers. So one of them is developed and researched by me. So not only me, this is a team actually, teamwork actually. So maybe first one I just Alhamdulillah, I have got opportunity from SkyCom and participated to register this patent. This is already registered. Okay. Now, maybe this is the most important slide all of you are maybe seeking for. So far, we have discussed about our company and products and lots of other things, our company's activities. So maybe all of you are looking for this one, I hope. So let's talk about salary and employee benefits. So if you are a bachelor graduate, then starting you will get maybe in Japanese yen 24 month. That means 2,40,000 yen. If you have a master's, then you will get 10,000 yen more than bachelor's graduate. Also, you will get bonus twice a year. Just remember, most of the company in Japan, as far as I know, especially in Miyazaki, most of the company does not give any bonus. There are some companies, they give bonus but not so much. But here you will get a good bonus as well as a good salary, I think. So you will later, maybe you will see lots of companies presentation later on. So you can compare. Also, salary is not a fixed here. Like if you like a bachelor completed a bachelor's graduate, then you will get 2,40,000 yen. No, this is not a fixed salary. So actually, based on the experience, if you have any experience, suppose you have completed a bachelor's graduation and you have some experience, based on that you may got a little bit more. Okay, as well as we have lots of insurances like social insurance, health and welfare insurance, employment insurance, then pay severance pay system, employee mutual aid association. So I would like to say about like a mutual aid association. We have as we have in Japan, most of the company has only one insurance, health insurance, only one health insurance that's covers 70% of its cost. But in our company, they we do just 2 types of insurance. One is optional. If you want to do, you can do. If you don't want to, then it's up to you. But I think one of the SkyComs, I don't know for others company, but for SkyComs, I think this is very good things. If you do this kind of insurance, your health may become zero. Recently, I have some major surgeries, and one of our Bangladeshi has major surgeries. Just it's a very, you may heard of, Japan is very expensive for health. So if you have this kind of insurance, it will cover. You can you can complete your treatment free without any cost. So this kind of things only I think provide by a big company and good reputed company. Not all of the companies providing this kind of facilities. Also, you will get business trip. You may, if you have a like a task, or if you may got things to do in others, like our main branch. If you have some task to our main branch, you can go to there for a business trip. As well as there are lots of company like they did like 6:30 p.m. works, but they did not give overtime. But our company counts each and every minute after 5:45, so you will get overtime. As well as if you like leave like 2 kilometers away from our company, you will get transportation expenses. Also, so you will get a very good amount of incentive systems are there, so you can get a good amount of money. So let's talk about holiday. So as SkyCom follows the Japan's internal rules, so it will follows the rules set by the government. Like Saturday, Sunday is a normal holiday in Japan, and as well as public holiday. It gives the same holiday like other most of the companies do. Also, summer vacation in our company is 3 days. So you will get summer vacation for 3 days. Year-end and New Year holidays, like there are some year-end and New Year holidays. Also, you can get maternity leave, parental leave, and marriage leave, which is, I think, good. If you want to marry after joining the company, you will get some money also. I think this is not written here. I think it should in next year we will just update this slide. So SkyCom also gives some money if you get married after joining the company. Maybe you will get some bonus from SkyCom, and I think it's a very good amount. I don't know for sure how much you will get, but it's a very good amount. Also, we have 1 hour lunch time, so you can. This is a fixed time, not like you will take like on your own time. It's from 12 to 1. So also, I think there are most of you are Muslim. So you know, prayer is a very important thing for our life, daily life. So as a result, SkyCom supports each and every not only prayer related things, each and every things that are related to our religion. So they are helping us to they just give us a room so that we can perform the prayer. Also they just arrange a place so that we, if people are more than the capacity, they just give us a place so that we can pray together. So this is you don't have to worry about the prayer. We just continuously each and every day we have our brothers. We just do our Jamaat each and every day, so you can perform your prayer. It's not a problem. Also, you know, Friday is a working day, so you can for prayer hours you can sleep your working time for the prayers time. So as each and every Bangladeshi working here are taking 1 hour of extra time for the Jummah prayer, and just we are doing this work for after 7:30. So our working hour is 9 to 7 7:30. That means 5:30. So this is not a long time, maybe 7:30, 7 hours and 30 minutes, and I think this is very standard working time. Okay. So now why you join SkyCom? So let's see. So career development and opportunities. You know, I have some experience. I would like to share my experience. Before I came to Japan, I had some experience working with like foreign companies, Sri Lankan companies. So I have learned lots of things from there. But you know, professionalism and the professional things I have learned most of the things from the SkyCom. So always SkyCom always helps each and of its worker pursue their passion, encourage to use new technologies, and always encourage each and every session. They just told users, and also they just added new like point system or like a trading system, benefit system. Like if you do this kind of things, if your point exceed this particular position, then you will get some intensive like a bonus. You may get some bonus. So also SkyCom each and every year SkyCom just suggest each and every worker to develop and get trained for some technologies so that they can contribute to SkyCom. Also, you know, as SkyCom is very old company, most of the employee, you know, very good at its own like particular topic. They are very good at. They are very good at. You know, most of us, I have seen all of your CVs, and in Bangladesh, you know, we are what we do. We just do each and everything like 20% or 30% or 40% max. We never completed one thing like in a whole way, like from top to bottom. But in Japan, this is my very personal opinion. In Japan, I have seen that if one Japanese people, most of the Japanese people, whenever they start something, they just do it in a very good way. They just completed it very efficient way. if you ask them regarding this matter, they will give you the best answer way possible. If you, so I am very totally, I am very surprised to see this kind of things. So sometimes, like if you join to our company, it will be opportunity for all of you to learn, most of our experts in their fields. This is very important things. I think. So one of the another one of the important things is working environment. Lots of our case we have seen recent year in newspaper and television that there are lots of unwanted event happened for in office. So our office environment is very good. So as it follows standard work procedure and policies, so there is no way to break the things, as it's maintained, as it has all kinds of procedures and policies. It is not written on the document also, but also it's maintained, fully maintained each and every year. So work environment is very good and healthy, I think. So now stability, it's a very important thing. In the time of COVID, you have seen that lots of companies new companies, and as well as lots of companies reputed companies just goes away because of its stability, because they don't have amount of money to hold this kind of situation. But for SkyCom, it's a very reputed company, strong economy. It won't suddenly disappear like others. A noticeable number of clients. So there is no way that SkyCom will go away. So as it has a noticeable amount of clients, so and it has its own product, so its stability is, I think, very high. Also, not only it supports in your working environment, but also supports outside of work. Maybe when you came to Japan, this is very difficult for you to understand whole things, like how you buy something, where you from buy, and how you do this kind of thing. This kind of initial support, actually now, when we came to Japan, there is a small Bengali communities, but now it's a very vast community. So you can get support from there. But also, if you when you came to Japan, initially company supports in lots of cases. Like they will give you initial support, like very handsome amount of money to settle you down. Because if you came to Japan, you need lots of things, like you may need refrigerator, you may need lots of household things. So it is very expensive. So all kinds of support is given by SkyCom company. So this kind of support does not give by other companies. So I think this is only, as far as I know, most of the company in Miyazaki does not gives such kind of supports. They supports with they will help you to buy, but does not support by giving you the money. But SkyCom will give you a handsome amount of money to settle you down, settle it in Miyazaki, and started your career. Also, any kind of support, suppose if you feel bad or any kind of support you need, you can get it from your company, SkyCom. But recent year, as Bengali community is grown up, so you can get any kinds of help from there also. Okay, this is some pictures. Maybe this is some old picture. This is our R&D center. You can see our office building. It's in the 9th floor. So here we're talking from there. This is our office room, and other than that, there are some pictures of Miyazaki city. This is I think a very old picture, but Miyazaki, in one word, I can say Miyazaki is one of the best place. If you would want to if you want silent place, or if you want you want to live in healthy way, I think Miyazaki is one of the best place for living. So as I am living in here 5 years, so I love this city because it does not have what can I say, traffic jam. I forgot the word traffic jam, because I always used to use this word jotai. So there is no traffic jam here. Also here in people, not only Miyazaki, I think in all over the Japan, people are very helpful. If you need anything, or if you need any support from them, they will help you. especially in Miyazaki, I have seen there are lots of people, they will talk with you and they will help you to do if you ask them. So there are lots of places. One of the famous places, Aoshima Beach, and Horikiri Pass. There are two also pictures are there. But I think this Kyushu, including Miyazaki, this Kyushu is very beautiful. I think in Japan. So I hope you will like whenever you came to Japan. I think you will like these places. So that's it. I am really sorry. I have taken lots of time, near 1 hour. I am really sorry. I've taken so much time. So that's it. Thank you for bearing with us. If you have anything in your mind, please let us know. Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou
gozaimasu.
San, first of all, I want to thank you for such an amazing introduction for SkyCom. And I have a question. That is, you said there is no way to falsify a document, electronic document. So how did SkyCom made it possible? Can you please elaborate it just in 1 or 2 lines?
Okay, I would like to modify your question. Like you can falsify a document if this is a normal document. Also, you can falsify a PDF document if it is a normal PDF document. But if the document is signed, I think you know the signature things.
Electronic signs.
If you have digital signature, so if you use public key infrastructure (PKI), I am meaning PKI. So if you use PKI, I think this is not possible to falsify the document.
Hi, got it. San, I have one more question, and that is, why is SkyCom interested in Bangladeshi IT engineers? So, what do you value most that you see in Bangladeshi engineers?
Okay, very good questions. Why you need? First of all, just hearing from Shibata-san, I want to say, told Shibata-san to say about that one.
Because
なぜバングラデシュの人たちはSkyCom欲しいという。
Yes, Bangladeshis are really very talented and really work well and achieving a lot of things.
So, did you understand what Shibata-san said that like as we are working here like for 5 years, so there are lots of Bangladeshis working here. They are, most of our Bengalis are very talented. Most of you are very talented, and also they can work with Japanese people. They can work with Japanese people. They have that standard. So that's why SkyCom just trying to take Bengali people. So not only Bengali people, maybe SkyCom there is a plan to take from all over the world. Recently, we just took interview from other countries. So not only Bengalis, but initial just SkyCom choose Bangladeshis so that they can develop their products in a very. And also there are lots of things, Bengali do knows like lots of good things. That's why SkyCom. I think SkyCom choose Bangladesh.
I also have to collaborate with Japanese people in the future, especially in SkyCom.
Thank you.
Sumimasen, I to add one more question that Mehdi-san said. So basically, in the case of document falsery, so basically you said we are using electric signature. So basically, cryptographical system like RSA or any kind of algorithm. So basically, are the SkyComs taking action because some cryptographical like public-private key cryptography is already can be breaked. So basically, you can modify some of them using some attacks. So in the case of SkyCom, they have taken some action on this task, maybe like some advanced algorithm like electric curve cryptography or something like those part in the PDF sign, sky sign, I guess.
Okay, so this is very vast question. I can talk about like for a long time in these topics. So just in simply, just I would like to say like we are just following ISO. So ISO just handling this kind of things. Whenever it breaks, so it's like we just delete it from our system. Actually, it what can I say? We are not using this kind of things. Like you are talking about maybe SHA-1, right? So this is possible. This is not easy way, but this is possible to break, right? But as this is possible to break, so we don't use SHA-1, so we use better version of it. So there is no way, as it is continuously evolving the PDF. So as it is becomes old, and if it's become like there is a possibility by hacking. So this kind of situation is handled by actually ISO. So whenever ISO just find it out that this technology is not good for our PDF system, they just what can I say? I forgot the actual term. So they just drop this feature from their ISO, new ISO, and tell that they please use the new technology. So there is no way to break down the PDF system, because there are no such kind of supercomputers for now to break like SHA-5112, right? So there are as it is a client-based product, so you may give the feature to the client. So client will choose which kind of technology they will use. Maybe there are some clients, they don't need this kind of feature. Maybe they need only SHA-1. It's up to him, not for up to us. We'll give all the things to the user, so the user can choose, like they can choose SHA-1, SHA-256, SHA-3, I forgot the one, SHA-512 maybe. So they can choose based on their needs. So it's up to them, not up to us.
Sumimasan, Rahman-san, I have another question. How do you utilize AI or machine learning in PDF? Like you have mentioned that in the product and activity slide, we have seen that analyzing with PDF. But how do you analyze it? For what kind of purposes? If you can elaborate in 1 or 2 lines.
Okay, it's also very good questions. As a what purposes we use, we analyze. There are lots of clients' needs. So it's in recent year, technology like AI is like evolving, right? This is very evolving right now. So your question is maybe like which type of technology you are using, or why you are using, which one you want to know. Regarding the technology, or why you are using?
Regarding the purpose of use.
Purpose, this is because of our client. There are lots of clients, or lots of clients want to know about the extraction. If you have an image, if a PDF on a PDF, or a text on a PDF, maybe this is very convenient way to extract there are lots of features in there to extract the image. By AI, you can extract it very efficiently. So there are lots of clients, they needs this kind of feature also, and based on their needs, as well as it is a very we can do it in very efficient way. So we are just doing it. It's actually a needs of user maybe. To understand this kind of things, you have to understand why we develop the product, because based on our client's need, right? So as it's a client's need, we are just developing, as well as we are just researching that this kind of stuff we can done. So we are doing it.
And what kind of technology? What kind of technology are you using right now, like developing for PDF conversation?
Okay, mainly I have said that there are lots of things on PDF. For main means I like to say, like we have a module system. Our product is module system. Mainly we are using C and C++, as it is a very efficient and faster than any other language. And you can manage your memory very well in C and C++. Our main product is developed by C and C++.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Sumimasen, I want to ask a question. Your R&D sector is developing something like PDF AI, which analyzes PDF documents using machine learning. If it is not confidential, can you share what type of model or what type of language model are being used for you do such stuff? I'm just curious.
We are not developing PDF AI. We are using AI on PDF. There are lots of models. We are just testing. We are in our testing purpose. Maybe class and TensorFlow is using. I hope. So I have not much vast knowledge on AI projects, because one of our Bangladeshi team members did this kind of stuff. As far as I know, it's developed. There are lots of framework, class and TensorFlow. Based on that, they have developed this kind of products, and also we are just continuously researching on it. there is no best thing, based on your need, you have to develop a model. Based on your needs, you have to modify your models. So we are just picking one of them and try to understand if we are getting our expected result or not. Does our performance getting our expected performance or not? So based on that, this is not only particular model. We are just trying to get the best one from that, and just trying to copy from one model to another and try to make our own model so that it could be a best product for us. I hope you got the answer.
Arigato gozaimasu. Another question, for the eye tracking, what type of technology SkyCom is using? If it is not confidential, you can share it to us.
Okay, so
Simasan.
so this is very vast. This is also very vast question, I think. So our main products, as I have said, is its main product is C and C++, and for eye tracking, you need a device, right? So that device has its own interface, and we are just giving the interface. Actually, what we do, we have our we just got the device from others company that will track the eye, and from their API perspective and our API perspective, we are just like linking the things so that we can track the eye. There are lots of things inside in between these two. I think this is very time consuming. If we have time in another other side, we will discuss it, because it's a very vast thing. It is very difficult to say like in one words. So I can say it in very simple things like you have a device and you have your own product. You just link it so that it can track your eye while you are looking.
Hi, arigato gozaimasu. Last question. What are the qualities you want to see in the candidates? If you describe in a few words or a few words.
I think this is company session. I think Sari-san should make another interview like this kind of event, so we can talk about this kind of question. Maybe this is a company introduction session, so this is very difficult for us, which are looking for, but definitely we'll look best of you. Like we are looking. Don't frustrated. Like we are not only looking for freshers but also looking for experienced people. So there are no particular things like based on that we will select this kind of things here. We will interview you 3 steps maybe. Based on that we will decide we will take. There are lots of Bangladeshi employees working here. They are freshers. They don't have experience. So based on their basic knowledge, we will just selected them. So just remember one thing. Just give your best and don't overthink. Just give your best, and we don't ask any question that is very highly high level question. We just ask very basic questions. So just focus on basic things.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Sumimasen. Dozo.
Sure. Yeah, sure. Well, I have a question to Shibata-san. Sumimasen Shibata-san.
Hi.
Well, SkyCom has been a pioneer in the PDF solution for many years, as far as I have knowledge, as far as I've researched. So what is the company's vision for the next 5 to 10 years, especially in terms of product development and market expansion? I know it must sound a little bit, if it is confidential, then we can skip that.
So basically, currently we are providing the core engine based on our core engine, but we are providing packaging for Windows and iOS. But in the future, we are focusing to provide our cloud service for paperless, for electronic contract service, and also paperless for specific market.
Yes. Understood. Arigatou gozaimasu. And another question to Iklas-san. As a software engineer joining SkyCom, what kind of immediate impact would you expect a new team member to have?
Did not get your question. Can you simplify it?
Well, as a software engineer joining at a SkyCom, what kind of immediate impact would you expect a new team member to have?
Impact? What do you mean by impact?
I mean, in terms of work, in terms of their contribution to SkyCom
Okay.
at first in that time at the time.
Okay. Okay, sorry, because impact means a vast thing. Impact word is very vast thing. So you would like you are asking like our expectation, right? After joining the company, your expectation. So our expectation.
Right,
So
kind of.
okay. First of all, most of the employee for freshers, I think this is a very good opportunity to join our company. For freshers as well as for experienced persons, our company will provide you maybe 3 months, what it said in English, like you will go to train intern. Sorry, I forgot that one. So you will got 3 months of intern in SkyCom. In that meantime, you will go to maybe university, music university. Then after maybe lunchtime, you will come to SkyCom and learn a lot of things like SkyCom rules, regulations, as well as the technologies. So we don't expect from you within 1 year. We don't expect. We just give you the time. But if you are very experienced person, so we have some expectation. So suppose if you complete some task faster than others, maybe we will observe, and based on your performance, maybe you will get a good team, or each and every team is good, but you will get based on your task, you will be selected to other teams based on your task. But mainly what we do for 3 months, 3 to 6 months maybe, you will get trained based on the PDF technology. First you will get trained by PDF technology, as well as you will get trained technology like C++. Most of our university students, maybe they did C and C. PDF is a C and C++ is a core technology in SkyCom used. So you will get trained not only PDF, C and C++, but also other languages. You will get trained. So after training period, you have to complete some project given by the SkyCom. Based on that, you will work. So first of all, we don't have expectation, but if you give very good performance, then based on our procedure, regular procedure, you will get a good team or something like that. But for each and every member, they will have the opportunity to learn first.
Hey, arigatou gozaimasu, Shibata-san. Arigatou gozaimasu, Kilasuramon-san.
Sumimasen, I had a question. So, can you tell me what are the main key points you follow to develop this paperless solution? As I have seen in your website, there are 4 key points. Can you please describe them or elaborate them?
Can you share these 4 key points?
Yes, I have written them. Number 1 was convenience that can replace handwriting, equal or greater security than paper documents, affinity with operations, more rational than paper documents. These were the
talking about now you are talking about like paper and paperless solution. This is also a vast thing. So I think in a single word, so as a software engineer, I think you may know that electronic document is far more better than the normal document, right? So this is main, what you have said, this is main 4 keywords. Okay, so there are lots of things behind that also, like suppose if you want to develop a paperless solution, then what you have to do? First of all, you have to make the document electronically, right? So based on the needs of you, this is totally depends on the client or users. Based on your needs, suppose our product will give you basic things like a PDF, right? But based on your needs, what you would like to do on that PDF, it's up to you. So If you want to like extract some information, or if you want to add some signature, or if you want to make it secure, it's up to you how you handle this one. So there are lots of key point we use. Main key point is those four. So from paper to paperless solutions. I think this is common for all other electronic documents. PDF Office also can say that this kind of stuff, but there are vast differences between document and PDF, I think.
はい、わかりました。ありがとうございます。
すみません。
柴田さん、江倉生さん、時間大丈夫ですか？
Oh, one more thing I just forgot. Thank you, Shibata-san. So we also give the handwritten signature. You can give handwritten, as well as you may heard of Inka in Japanese maybe. So also you can possible to add Inka in the PDF. So this is also possible. Yes, Savi-san, it's okay, no problem. I have lots of time, so no problem.
ありがとう。
すみません。I have a question.
Sure.
In our period test, we had a question like, what matters more, the effort you put or the result that matters? For an employee perspective, in case of SkyCom, what's SkyCom's take on it for an employee? The effort or the result?
Okay.
Can you please?
So this is also like outside of the syllabus, today's syllabus, but I would like to answer. So you are asking about programming test, right?
No. Actually, I heard the most of Japanese company they actually value the effort a lot. So I just wanted to know SkyCom's take on it for an employee perspective.
Sorry. Can you explain a bit? I did not get your point. Can you?
What I know that for Japanese people, Japanese company, they actually value a lot about the effort that you put rather than the result. So I wanted to know about SkyCom's take on it in case of an employee.
Okay. Whenever a company will hire you, that means they expect from you the result. Definitely, it's mandatory. Each and every company will give the see the result, right? So based on the result, we can measure how good are you, right? Based on the result, you will get promotion. Based on the result, you will get bonus. So this is very important thing, But for SkyCom, first of all, when you came to Japan and joined to SkyCom will give you the opportunity to learn fast. Okay. So in that particular time, suppose you did not learn and you just think, okay, I just got the time, I don't want to learn. Okay. So SkyCom won't say you anything. So give you the time to learn. So in that particular time, if you efficiently use that time and learn, then if you try hard and to give some results, then it is better for you, not for this guy. So if you don't give any output within 1 year or 2 years, you may know that SkyCom may know that there are some lackings to you. They will give you some more opportunity to learn you, so that you can learn. Suppose they will give you the train. They will get told the seniors to train him. What is the problem? They will try to find the problem of you. So this is very standard procedure. I think this is not only SkyCom. I think this is very standard procedure. But in SkyCom, they will do it very efficiently, and I think you are you will be very lucky if you get chance in SkyCom. So you will got lots of seniors, not only Japanese but also Bangladeshis. So you will learn from them. And as far as I know, in my experience, there are most of the people here are very friendly. Whenever you ask, you can directly ask. Shibata-san is the director of SkyCom. So sometimes if I need something, I just go to Shibata-san and ask. He's a director, so he don't have to say anything. But if you need, you can go to Shibata-san and ask. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. You can tell whatever you want to say. Shibata-san, I want to get married, so please give me some suggestion. And he will give you some suggestion, no problem. So you can share your personal things as well as your problem, because for a company, it's very important to give some results. Based on the results, we'll evaluate you, not the company. Maybe you are not giving so much result because maybe your mental problem, or maybe there are lots of things going on to you. You cannot focus on. They will help you, but you have to say to SkyCom, right? If you don't say anything to SkyCom, then SkyCom cannot help you. Not only SkyCom, I think no other company will help you to get rid of that one. So obviously, if you have faced any problem, then you have to tell SkyCom. SkyCom will definitely help you out from that kind of situation. I hope you answered that.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Mohan-san, I have a question for you. Hello?
Sure, I am hearing. You can say.
Okay. SkyCom, we know SkyCom has web API technologies. Is it integrated with any extension, or does SkyCom plan to create its own extension in the near future?
What do you mean by extension? It's a very also extension is
Maybe
not a single.
extension like what we use in browsers.
Okay, so that's why I asked extension. If you say in software extension, if you use what extension means something is added. Okay, in a main product you are adding something. This is extended or extension to this product, right? So you are talking about extension of the browser, right?
Right, extension of the browser.
So extension is not like a web API, and extension is totally different thing. You know, you can use API to use the to build the extension, but this is not mandatory. Web API always have to be done by the extension. Web API you can create web browser, a web page, and on that page you can use web API. This is the API. We are giving you the API, and you can use that API to run your own things. You can make it by extension by your own way. Also, you can make the page. It's up to you. So we will not give you any extension or something like that. This is as it is a web API. I think you know the meaning of API. As it is a programming interface, we will give you the interface. Based on that interface, you will create that product based on your needs. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, but I have asking you that SkyCom will use near future extension technologies like we can plug any extension in browser and we can use SkyCom technologies there.
So I know some. Sure, do you have an extension, Madanai? So you know, this is you are talking about a product, right? This extension is also a product, right? Right. So as the extension is a product is actually developed based on the client's need and the customer you have, right? So company does not develop anything that does not have client, okay? Because they have to lot of time and spend some money on that. So I think we don't have extension, but for our personal use, as far as I know, we are using Sky Client, right, Shivada-san? Sky Client. Sky Client we are using. Web view no tamini me view no tamini. Sky Client to Sky View Client. Sky View Client.
Sky View Sky Sign.
Sky Sign じゃなくてドキュメントの中何でしたっけextension SkyC client SkyC extension SkyC client view 例えばブラウザの中どうしているとかそれの見えるために Sky View 使っています
使っている。
はい。それの話。はい。
うちの製品の
製品じゃなくて別。私はこんな感じで知っています。Then we have extensions we are using, but this is not the project we are selling because this is our based on our needs and required by our company. This is not the product we are selling to. And I hope you got the answer.
Yes, arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, I have a question. So I have seen SkyCam has cloud services and SkySign and the PDF Verify service, e-contract service are all of the. My question is, with the rise of blockchain technology, has SkyCam explored its potential application in those kind of things like document verification or time stamping within the ecosystem you already have?
Okay, so I would like to give you the answer. Before I do that, I would like to say about something related to PDF. You know, each and every technology has its own specification, right? PDF has its own specification. We call it ISO. So based on that ISO, how we develop our product, what will be the product, how you verify the feature, it is written on the ISO. Based on that specification, we developed our product. So how we verify our time stuff, how we verify our signature, it's the implementation details and written on the specification, how we do that. so that not only our products but also others companies product like Adobe, Calas, so that their product also verify the signature created by our product, right? So this is unified specification that is followed by all over the world. So this is not our own technology. This is technology written on the specification, how we use, how to do it, how we handle. So which type of technology we use, we can select. Like we can use C++, we can use Java, whatever we want. But the concept, the things, the logic will be the same. Because if you don't do so, your product, suppose you have created a PDF and giving a timestamp, right, or like a signature. So you have created. If you do not follow the specification, your created document will be invalid if this product is document is opened by other company's product like Adobe, right? So if you do so, it will be invalid. So you cannot do it by yourself. What you have to do, you have to follow the rules written on the ISO. So based on that, you will develop your product, your logic. You can choose whatever you like, but you have to follow the specification of the ISO. Okay. I hope you got the answer.
ありがとうございます。
すみません、I have a question. Hello.
I can hear you. You can see it.
Yeah.
I saw one of your products is also integrated with bank's application or financial institution. So I have some experience in banking solution company, and I saw that most of the banks use different Dokudex server kind of thing to upload PDF files, lot of PDF files that use in KYC or trade finance business. So when they have upload the documents, mostly the PDF documents, and there needs to resubmit the same documents sometimes, especially for the trade finance part. So when they resubmit the same documents, they just gave us the name with the version 1, version 2, that kind of thing, so that they can verify that this is the latest document. So the PDF is support that kind of versioning system, so that they can check, okay, that part is only changed this time, that the file is updated that time, that kind of thing.
You are talking about PDF technology?
Yes, it's about the versioning of editing, PDF editing.
Editing
so
means
that
you
I
are
can
talking
check.
about PDF technology. Does PDF technology supports versioning kind of things, like, right?
Right.
Question is this. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you that you can handle this kind of situation based on the version control system. This is another thing. Now, if you want to know about PDF, yes, PDF does have that
actually, sir, the main point is the user needs to see the earlier changes, the recent changes. Because this is specifically for the users. They need to check, yeah, the document is signed from the drawer or kind of thing. So they do not have the access to the version system, but the user, the end user wants to see the edit history for that kind of thing, for re-uploading or resubmitting. So is the product support that kind of features?
Okay, you are talking about now implementation details of a product. This is very like what you have told me, that like very specific product, right? You told me about a specific product. It's a need of a bank, that bank, not all the banks. Okay, so if some banks need this kind of feature, they will implement it based on our technology, based on our API. So I don't know, but we don't know this product will use which way. So we will give you the API, we will give you some interface. Based on that interface, user will implement that one based on their needs. So you may say that if you have API that if you have service that is implemented this kind of stuff. So as far as our product, as far as I know, I don't think this kind of implementation is there, because PDF is a very unique thing, and what you are talking about, this is not the technology related to the PDF. So, but if you want to know the changes inside the PDF, you don't have to make two PDF. Like suppose first you took normal PDF, then you change and keep it to another name. You don't have to do that. PDF itself can save the things, updated things in an incremental way. Maybe this is, I am talking about the PDF specification. PDF, whenever you save the PDF, there are lots of way to save the documents. So one of them is incremental save. We can say incremental update. Suppose you have a document, it has an image. After some changes, maybe you have added some text or something to it. Then if you save it, PDF has a feature, and also it's a specification of the PDF. PDF can also save that changes also. If you need it, you can get it based on that PDF. So you don't have to copy the PDF in 2 ways because it's already contained in the PDF. Also, there are lots of features. You can delete this one, you can keep it. It's up to you. So whenever we give the API to the user will be able to like say if it's like based on the user needs, we'll give the feature to the user can save it, user can also keep it to the latest one, also user can delete the previous one. It's up to user. We have a feature API, we just give to the user so that they can handle this PDF the way they need. I think you got the answer.
Yeah, わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Is there any SkyCom PDF so that we can test this SkyCom any product in our hands-on experience so that we can?
Sorry, I did not hear you. Your voice is like I did not hear your voice. It's like.
He is asking that is there any application which we can use?
Sorry, can you speak a bit louder?
Okay. Is there any free product we can get the hands-on experience of using it so that we can get the experience of how actually it works?
Okay. Maybe you can download free version of our viewer. Viewer is a free version. You can go to skycom.jp and download viewer of PDF viewer. So you can use it as a free, but you know most of our product is like a premium product. So there are some trial version of it. You can download it and try it out. So I will be happy if you try it. So you can try it out. But most of the product, as it is a premium product, so you may need subscription. But I will say you just use viewer, and as well as maybe there are some trials product. You can download and install it and try it out.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sumimasen, I have one last thing to ask. May I? Hello?
I can hear you.
Okay, most of my questions are already answered. I have one last thing. I learned about we can take 2 days off, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday, any 2 days. But I didn't see anything about Friday in the slide. Can you say about it?
Sorry. Can you say once again? I did not get your point.
I learned about the days of my weekends. I mean, the Friday can also be a substitute of Saturday or Sunday.
If needed, okay, I got your questions. If needed, suppose main our calendar, like what can I say? We just work for Monday to Friday. Okay, this is our fixed schedule. But suppose there are lots of tasks. Maybe you need to release your product. Maybe like you have to do something important. So in that particular case, suppose you did work on Saturday or Sunday. This is a holiday, but you work on Saturday and Sunday. In that particular case, you can get the substitute holiday on Friday. But in normal case, you cannot get. Suppose you want to work on a Friday, you want to take a holiday on Friday, but work on Saturday each and every time. You cannot get. But in special case, if there are valid reason, SkyCom, if SkyCom sees this is a very valid things, no problem at all for SkyCom to give you the substitute holiday. Suppose you do lots of things for SkyCom, like you went to another business trip in Friday or like in Saturday. SkyCom will give you the substitute holiday whenever you want to take. You can take it in Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's up to you whenever you take. But there is no fixed thing like you can change it from Monday to Friday or anything else.
はい、わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Any other questions? 皆さん大丈夫ですか？ダン。
はい、大丈夫です。
はい、大丈夫です。
はい、
はい、
あり
大丈
がとうご
夫です。
ざいます。
大丈夫です。はい、大丈夫です。
じゃあ、柴田さん、イクラスさん、本当に very valuable presentation and giving long time to answer all of each questions. ありがとうございます。
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 I hope
ありがとう
you
ござい
guys
ます。
have a good preparation to have an interview and do your best in the interview.
It's our pleasure to answer, and I would like to thanks all of you because you give your valuable time to us to hear our company. So one thing I want to add at last, we work in a very good company. So as far as I know, SkyCom is in Miyazaki one of the best company. So there are lots of opportunities. You will grow. You can grow your career. You can learn lots of things, especially freshers. So please try your level best. So focus on your basics and try your level best to give the interview. So I hope you will give your best so that we can find you in as our colleague. So and another thing is like as SkyCom like provide you lots of training like other companies, it will give you lots of opportunities to grow you. So I think it will be your best chance to join SkyCom. So as a brothers, Bangladeshi brothers, I can say please try hard to join. Lots of brothers I know, they really wants to work in SkyCom, but really, it is not possible for us to take all of you. So whenever they talk with us, they just always try to say, brother, I would like to go. Please tell, if you have opportunity, please let us know. So this is the SkyCom. So whenever you come, whenever you heard of SkyCom, not from me, from others, you will understand who we are. So I will tell you. So please try your level best. I know you won't be frustrated. You won't be like, oh, I just it's a very bad company, and oh no, I did not learn anything from it. No, this won't happen. I will guarantee you. So just try your level best. I hope that you will do, and as it is a best company, I hope you will get a chance to learn from the best. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
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 はい。じゃあ皆さん、you may leave now. Everyone.
はい。
お先に失礼します。
失礼します。
お先に失礼します。
失礼します。